Calling all lactation friends, early bird pricing for Gold Lactation 2024 ends on March 15th, and we don't want you to miss out on this discount. This year's conference brings you more opportunities than ever to connect and network with over 4,500 international attendees. We have brand new interactive features, networking sessions, and discussion groups so that you can level up your conference experience. Tap into the latest lactation education with over 30 hours of presentations in the main program alone, and dive into the new research, key clinical skills, and the biggest topics. Pop over to our website now to lock in your early bird discount before it's gone.